Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to create WeChat account with scan QR code. But first, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your WeChat account. So go to WeChat and make sure that you have updated your WeChat. So as you can see, I have updated my WeChat account and I am using the latest version and features of this application. Okay, so now go to your WeChat. And then all you have to do is just simply click this more options here. So you can see this because I have just logged out from my other account. So if you want to create a new one with QR code or scan QR code, all you have to do is to tap more options and look for sign up. Okay, so here it is. Below log into another account. Tap sign up. And then here, you just have to give or provide your name, your country, origin, also your phone number, and your password. You can also add your image later if you want. Okay, so make sure that the phone is correct, your password is easy to remember. And then once you're done with this, just click this circle here and then tap accept and continue. Now click this I have read and accept the above terms and then tap next. Now to proceed, you have to do this security verification. You just have to tap start. All you have to do is just simply slide this puzzle, slide to complete the puzzle. Okay, as simple as that. And then once you're done with this, then that's it. And you can now ask your friend to scan the following QR code using WeChat. So you can now ask someone to scan this, and that's how you create WeChat account with scan QR code. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.